the suffering of war. If you hear this chant, join in. The chant says, it's all about love. It's all about love. All about love, all about love, all about love. Yes, it's all about love, all about love, all about love, all about love. Can you join me? All about love, all about love, all about love, all about love. Yes, it's all about love, all about love, all about love. All about love, and we're all about love, 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 all about love. Now here's the part where we talk to ourselves. I'm going to ask you to join me and just close your eyes for a second. And as your eyes are closed, you're looking at your heart. Whatever you see, look into your heart and say to your heart, sincerely, that you love, you love, you love. And say, I am love, I am love. It's coming from my heart. I am love, I am love, I am love, I am love. Say it. I am love, I am love, I am love, I am love. Yes, I am love, I am love, I am love, I am love. Yes, I am love. And that person near you, they are loved too. So it's you. You are love. You are love. You are love. You are love. Yes, you are love. You are love. You are love. And it's we are love. 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 Yes, we are love. We are love. We are love. We are love. Because Muchatera said, can we end all the suffering of war? Can we just end all the suffering of war? If we could do that, we experience the love that we are. That's Muchatera's message, his final words. before he moved into the realm of the ancestors. It's Muchatera. 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 Muchatera.